What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, man, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Smart Devil quick installation screen protector. Now, they were kind enough to send this over for us to take a look at, man, so shouts out to them. I really do appreciate that. And you guys already know this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but anything I get on this channel, I'm going to always share it with you guys. Now, I know you already seeing two extra ones on the desk right here, and these are going to be for a giveaway. I got an iPhone 15 and a 15 Pro right here, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll get instructions on how you can go ahead and get you one of these if you need it for your phone. All right, so just make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Now, without further ado, I'm ready to get into it because I broke my screen protector on my phone, and this came at the perfect time. So with that, let's dive in. All right, guys, so if you're looking for these, you can find it right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link in the description. Now, the price on these is going to run you about $18.99, and they do got a 20% off coupon just in case you want to get a little bit of a discount. All right, so again, these are the iPhone 15. This one is for the iPhone 15, but I got one for the Pro as well. But this is going to be a Smart Devil 3-pack screen protector for the iPhone 15. Tempered glass, HD clear film, easy installation, dust-free, and bubble-free. All right, so one of the cool things about this, I'll go ahead and scroll through, but one of the cool things about this is that the installation is very, very simple. Okay, so right here it says enhanced protection. You got multi-layer enhanced protection, resistant to drop impact, military grade, shatterproof, sensitive to touch, well, sensitive and smooth to touch, ultra clear, invisible look. And then right here, I think this is the best part, this easy installation. So step one, all you're gonna do is just cover it up right there. Step two, you're just gonna pull to expel the dust and bubbles, and boom, guess what? Automatic positioning, and you're good to go. So it should be that simple. You see what I'm saying? So it's really not too much to it, but to do it, really. You know what I'm saying? So with that, what I want to do is I'm going to throw some music over this, man, and I'm going to go ahead and just install this thing, throw some music over it. And once we get it installed, we'll come back. I'll let you guys see what it looked like, and then we'll talk about this quick giveaway, and then we'll get out of here for the day. Let's install this. All right, y'all, so that was a very simple, easy installation, man. And as you can see, no bubbles. Let me turn this on, man. Look, no bubbles, man. It took me a minute. I had a few that I had to work out, but for the most part, no bubbles, and I like that. And it covers the whole screen. I don't know if y'all can see that. It leaves a little bit of a lip around the edge right there. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. It leaves a little bit of a lip, so when you throw your case on, you're going to be good, which in this case, I'm going to get ready to throw my case on here in a second. But Again, one of the things I like about it is the fact that they give you 3. So at a minimum right here, you know, if something happens to this screen protector that I got on there, at least I know I can always come back in here, throw another one on. And I think that easy installation piece is a really good look, man, in general. But yeah, take a look at that. It looks really nice, man. I like that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my case back on that I was rocking right quick. Boom. So let me get a quick wipe down. Hold on. Just another quick little wipe down. And as you can see, with the case on it, screen protector is not lifting up, got a small little lip going around it, so we good to go there, and it looks really nice, man. I like this screen protector. So again, that was the Smart Devil quick installation screen protector, man. Again, shouts out to them. Now, as far as how to win one of these right here, we got the iPhone 15 right there, and we got the 15 Pro. In order to win these, it's going to be very simple, guys. Once this video goes live, I'm gonna come back probably the following day, and I'm gonna throw up a community tab picture. It's gonna be a post, and all you gotta do, this is for US only, but all you gotta do is like that post and then shoot me an email. My email is in the description of this video right here. All you do is shoot me an email, like the post, and shoot me an email, and just tell me which one you want, and I'll let it run for about a day. So if we get 5 likes, I should have 5 emails. You get what I'm saying? Just to match it up, man. And as long as it's US, I'll just pick, you know, a random person. Make sure in the email you just tell me, you know, which one you want, iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. Again, like the community tab post, shoot me an email, tell me which one you want, make sure it's US only, and then yeah, I'm just gonna send it straight to you, no hesitation. You see what I'm saying? So that should be pretty simple and pretty easy going forward. But again, anyway, shouts out to Smart Devil for sending this over. I really do like this screen protector. I might get one of their privacy ones. I might go ahead and scoop me one of those up, get me one of their privacy ones and test that out as well. But for right now, this right here is a go. I'm going to be using this, and if it break, I got 2 more. You know what I'm saying? So again, shouts out to Smart Devil. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful in some way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay, and I'm gonna get up out of here. All right, peace.